Hello my healthy people, welcome back to Maxinescorner. So in today's video I have a huge big Trader Joe's vegan haul. These are products that every vegan must have, especially when you want to whip up real quick and easy meals. These are perfect for that. So let's get into this video. Hey, but before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. You love healthy tips, you love weight loss meals, and you love Maxine. Stop. Go ahead and hit that bell so you won't miss your notifications. I don't want you to forget to sign up for the 21-day weight loss challenge. It starts July 5th and it continues until July 26th. So if you want to lose some weight, learn how to eat, then this challenge is perfect for you. And go to the description box, shoot me an email and let me know which services you're interested in, and we can work on that, right? We can work together. Let's get into our vegan Trader Joe's haul. Must-have products for vegans, right? These are your must-haves to whip up these easy, quick, healthy meals. All right, so the first thing, let's get into my nuts. Let's get into my nuts. Okay. So the first thing I have here is some roasted, not so salty cashew pieces. And these I just eat by themselves. If you do want to make sauce and stuff like that, I suggest you get the one that's not salted. So these are slightly salted. So I have dried cranberries. So what I love about these cranberries is that they're great for baking, cooking, and they are also, look what it says here, Trader Joe's dried cranberries are fortified with cranberry seed oils, a source of omega-3. Okay, we need that in our diet. Omega-3 is very important for our diet. The serving size is 1/3 cup. Each serving size provides 200 milligrams of omega-3. Yes, baby. Stop. What? Do I need to say anything else? No. Okay, so the next thing I got was some dried honey roasted almonds. Yes, because I love my nuts. No, I love almonds and I eat them raw. I have them roasted. Same thing here. Put it in your salads, put it in baked goods. So many different ways that you can use it. I have these black bean pasta and I think I'm gonna make a salad with this, and I'll put this up pretty soon. So these black bean pastas I absolutely love. They are delicious. So the next thing I have here is some vegetable pasta. And what I love about this pasta is that my kids, they won't know that it's vegetable pasta, right? I make a nice creamy sauce with the cashews and they don't know. Okay, they're eating vegan and they have no idea because I don't bring it to their attention, and I also have them help me in the kitchen as well. I'm actually going to do a video on how to get your kids to eat their vegetables, and that should be coming up soon. If you like what you see so far, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's continue. Because I always don't have time to make carrot juice, and I want to get some carrot juice on the run, and this is why I picked up some delicious carrot juice from Trader Joe's. I absolutely love their carrot juice. Now, I've tried many different brands of carrot juice, and by far this one here is my favorite, hands down. So here we also have our organic roasted teriyaki seaweed snacks. My oldest daughter loves these. These are really for her. These are some of her favorite snacks. She takes them to school with her. When she's doing homework, she snacks on these. So this is one of her favorite snacks. Maybe try your kids, maybe they'll like it as well. The next thing I got was some deli style spicy brown mustard. What I love about this mustard is that it's perfect for everything. If I make a sandwich, I'll use this mustard, and also whenever I am making sauce and salad dressing, this is perfect to make salad dressings. Okay, now Guys, you know I make my juices and my smoothies, and I always add flax seeds. If you like what you see so far, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Continue. Okay, so let's continue with our spices. I've never tried this before. This is something new for me that I'm gonna try. It's called soyaki. So what this is, it says that it's a unique teriyaki sauce and marinated for meat, fish, poultry, and tofu and vegetables. Of course, we're not eating the meat, poultry, or fish. So, but it says that the ingredients here are soy sauce, sugar, garlic puree, sesame seeds, soybeans oil, ginger puree, white vinegar, soya powder. Okay, so it's great for vegans. So if you're a vegan or a vegetarian, this is perfect for you as well. The next thing I have here is coconut amino. I love this because it has less sodium inside of it. If you're watching your sodium intake, then this is perfect for you. It takes the place for soy sauce. It's the same thing. And the next thing that I had was some grapeseed oil. I also have some coconut oil spray. You need this. Sriracha. And we have our, and what I did was I bought the two different flavors. So, you know, because I am from the islands, I can't help it. When I see something that has the word island on it, you know Maxine's picking it up. So I'm gonna give these two a try, and then I'll let you guys know. I haven't tried them before. At least the Trader Joe's that I go to, this is the first time I'm seeing these two products. So I'm gonna go ahead and give them a try and let you guys know. I'm gonna make a marinade and try it out, and then I'm gonna come back and let you guys know. All right, I also got some organic tomato basil marinated, and I love this as well. Like I said, if you're interested in any of the services, go ahead and shoot me an email and we can work together. I could get you healthy. I could get you healthy, and we could work towards your weight loss goals, right? Because that's what we're all about here. Healthy and maintaining, not just losing and gaining it back. We want to what? Maintain. So in that case, it has to be a lifestyle, right? That's all I have for Maxine's Corner. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And what? Say it. Stay healthy.